Oh yeah, we're back. How are we all doing, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, as you can see, we're back with another POV drive. And how are you guys liking this new camera angle? All my other POV drives, the camera angle, all you can see is the roof. I've done a few little adjustments, and I think the camera angle, I think I've nailed it. I think I've nailed it, boys. I think I have. It's fucking windy. Jesus. Got a lot of the old wind. You know, talk about what's coming up with the videos, and I haven't uploaded in a little bit, but that is all good. We're back. What's new since our last POV drive? The tin. I hinted to it in the last POV, and as you saw in, not the last video, the video before, we went down DH styling and we did get the tin, and it is just the nuts, and I love it so much. However, I love it from the outside, but there is a problem, and I sort of said it in the video when we got the tin, but sorry, take this bitch. Oh yeah, BWT Rock, get shit on. Just got fucked. Oh, so many slow drivers. But yeah, as you guys can see, hang on. Why is the guy trying to race me, bruv? Bro was not letting me past. Oh, she sounds pretty. Oh, ha 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 ha. Mamma mia. She sounds fucking fit. The car is running so much better because maybe for the first time in the world, I've let it fully warm up to temp. I literally let it warm up for 20 minutes. And she is running so pretty, amazingly. That's Boxster. I think it's Boxster. I might have just offended that 911. Well, you can't look like a Boxster, mate. It's a pipe down. We've let her warm up, and we're getting a service soon. My first service, and I've had her for a year. Don't shout at me, please, please, guys, please. I know I should service every 6 months. I'm pretty sure I should anyway. So please don't shout at me because I didn't service it. I just haven't had the money. And also, I haven't been driving it a lot. I've only done 3,000 miles since I bought this in December. That's not a lot, but also, I only started driving it in March, really, because that's when I passed. There is a nice 240i behind me. I love them. I love the new 240i's. He's tailgating me. Well, well, well. Am I right, guys? Well, well, well. BMW tailgating. Well, unlucky, Mr. BMW, I have a black box, and I can't go over 30 miles an hour. But yeah, as you can see, guys, we have a problem. It's so blue. The tin is so blue. And I hope you guys know where I'm coming from when I say this, that it's really fucking hard to see at night. It's fine like right now, maybe even not, it's still a bit dark. But it's fine when it's properly daytime, because the sun is going to go down soon, so I have to quickly get a video out. And that's another reason I can't really record at night anymore, because I can't see. I can see, but recording videos and stuff at night, I'm already distracted and stuff. So I just don't want it to be even more of a thing I have to worry about. So, you know, I'm sure I hope you guys know where I'm coming from. That was nice. It's a 220i. God, they look the same. They actually look the same. 2 Series, man. Why do they look so nice? So the tin is just really hard to see through at night. So I'm asking you guys, and I'm also just kind of telling you guys what's going on. So the tint was obviously our last mod we did. Oh, that's a lie, but our last big mod we did. and I love it from the outside. Don't get me wrong, the outside is amazing. It's just the inside, and it's just the nighttime visibility, especially coming in the winter where the nights are getting longer, the days are getting shorter. It's just pain in my ass basically when I want to drive at night. And so I want to ask you guys what I can do about it. Do you reckon I could get maybe a lesser tint on the front? Is there any like tints that are, I don't know if this, I feel like this got to be close to 75%. I feel like it has to be close. Do you guys know what I mean? Like 75% is a legal limit. I feel like this has got to be pretty close. And I've looked at a few like 80, maybe 85%, especially blue ones. They look nice, and inside it's like no different. So that is what I need to ask you guys. Is it gonna be, is it only blue tints that have that where you can see through them fine? I don't know if this sounds stupid, or is it just any tint if I just lower, if I up the percent, lower the percent of the tin? I don't know. Basically get it to like 85% or something. Because I need to be able to see outside. I think that is a huge thing. But you know, I really like this tin, and how many months I had it on now? 3 months maybe. And I really do like it, so we'll have to see. I'm not going to do anything about it yet. But you know, I'd like to see what I can do about the tin. If anyone knows tints, as I said, please reach out to me, because I'd like to know what I can do about it. Yeah. But I also want to say, guys, thank you to everyone who has reached out to me. We've had a few people reach out to me on Instagram, and if you guys have followed my Instagram is always in the description, and it's always going to be on screen right now. If you guys have followed my Instagram, please reach out to me. Even if you don't have a car, but especially if you do have a car, please let me know, like what car you have. Let me know just how it's doing. And if you don't have a car, just ask me questions, any questions you guys might have, or just say I really like your videos, because honestly, that makes my absolute day. Seeing that, it really, really does. Messages, and I'm gonna just quickly throw up a guy's car on screen right now who messaged me. I think his name was Leon. I'm gonna throw his up and his car right now. And he reached out to me saying he loves the car stuff, and saying he has a Corsa as well, and I just loved it. And he's helped me get some mods in mind as well, and I've also told him the future of this car and what's coming up. So you know, as I said, guys, please reach out to me. I need some friends. So yeah, the next few videos, what are they going to be? So I want to do like a buyer's guide on the Corsa, because when I bought my Corsa I didn't know much about it, and that's a terrible thing to when you're buying a car. And fortunately, so far I feel like I've got extremely lucky with what I bought, because I didn't know much about it. I did like HPI check and everything, but I still didn't know what I was buying. Like, I didn't even know the engine. Do you know what I mean? I thought 1.4 litre. I didn't even care about horsepower. Maybe you shouldn't. That's a lie. That's good. That's a good thing. Don't. If anyone actually cares about how fast their car is in their first car, they are stupid. Okay, you just need to get a nice one, in my opinion. Sacrifice niceness for performance. I mean, no, sacrifice performance for niceness, please. Or overall, sacrifice niceness for reliability. Luckily, so far, I feel like I have got both. So, yeah, I want to do a buyer's guide. Oh, he's coming close. Guys was able to hear that. I feel like sometimes my car is really loud and sometimes it's not. Yeah, I need to figure out something more exhaust mods, I think. much speed, boys. Let's go. Roll the window a little bit. Keep it in second. We're just going to send it. Probably shouldn't do this when I need petrol, but fuck it. Come on guys, we can't undertake, that's illegal. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see my last video, which is the top 5 mods to put on your car, click there. Other than that guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see every single one of you guys in the next video. Goodbye guys.